Welcome back guys, it's Rocko here, and in today's video we've got a technical analysis for Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Litecoin and Tron. So let's start with Bitcoin. Bitcoin guys, after a couple of upward movements guys, as predicted on Twitter and in my previous videos, Bitcoin is consolidating. People are taking some profits. What's kind of scary to notice guys, usually in the previous price jumps we jumped to 6.18, and in my previous videos you had seen that we always kind of jumped up to 618 level before we went down. As you can see, 618 level there guys, and in the previous one it didn't even hit 618 level, so as you could say that's a bit bearish because it dropped off below the 618 level guys, and now this is even lower. We've not even hit 618 and we're going down, and we're forming higher lows guys. We're in a massive downtrend, so nothing has really changed on the longer time scale. We haven't broken out, and I mean, if I had to predict where we're going, it's looking like it's going down, unless there's some news coming out. I don't think I think there's a good chance we're gonna break these levels. And then another thing is the more times we hit the resistance level, the more likely it is to break it. So there's a strong potential that we break it guys. And I've talked about where we could see some support, maybe around the 5,000 level, the psychological level, maybe the 4,000 level. 886 could be a reversal level, but we'll have to see guys. Let's not get too far ahead. And on the weekly chart guys, I always like to start off with the weekly chart, and again we are on a downward trend guys. We're gonna form a couple of inside bar guys, probably for the next couple of weeks, and maybe end of October where we see a breakout, which will be very, very interesting to see. So in the short term guys, what am I looking at? In the short term guys, a couple of things that I'm looking at is, the first thing is the resistance level. So in the last high that we went up, we broke through the 263 level. It's starting to move up now. I think we could see some support at the 50% level. There's a 50 moving average as well, so that's a place where we could see some a reversal, because we have broken through the 236 level, and it would be good to see hit this 618 level, because in the previous rallies we hit the 618 level, so there is a good chance that we could hit the 618 level. But it's difficult to see guys what happens below. If it breaks below 618 level, if it breaks below the 50% of this last rally, I'll probably get out guys. If it breaks below this 50, I mean, it could probably see a bounce around the 50% and 618 level, but I'm not really as bullish on Bitcoin guys. If you were holding guys, there might be some profit taking, so that's what I'm kind of looking at in the short term guys. Moving averages, we're below the moving averages now, so we could probably hit this. I mean, as you can see, we could probably break lower. We could break the resistance level and form another lower low and lower highs, so it's not looking great guys. So there's two scenarios, which is it was just a bounce and a downward trend, or we could see like an ABC correction or some consolidation before we go up to the 7,000 level. I don't think we'd go above that 618 to run this level guys. I don't think we'll break this resistance level. This is where I see ourselves going if we have another leg higher, but it is unlikely. So that's my thoughts on Bitcoin guys. It's kind of sideward movements guys. It's nothing to sell or buy. There's not many setups that I'm looking at in Ethereum. In Bitcoin. Now let's have a look at Ethereum. Ethereum guys, I'll just do a quick analysis. There's not too much to look at. Again, sorry about that guys, this is my different account. Ethereum, on the longer term guys, it is more bearish than Bitcoin guys. We haven't got many previous lows, and it's not looking great guys. Bitcoin, we've got some support, like this is a support line for Bitcoin. There's some support for Bitcoin around 575 level, but in Ethereum guys, there's not much support. So there is some support from June in Bitcoin. In Ethereum, you have to go all the way back to July to see support, so it's not looking great for Ethereum. Couple of things to look out for now is, I was hoping Ethereum did get a good bounce with good volume. I was hoping Ethereum breaks that 236 level and goes higher, but unfortunately it failed at the 236 level, so it's not looking great, guys. And we'll see if it can hold above the moving average and move up, but it's not looking great for Ethereum either. But it could consolidate, guys. We'll have to see what happens. We can't just make judgments now. There is a potential that it will form. It could form some support at maybe the 50% level of the last rally, but we'll have to see how it plays out. On the shorter time scale, I'm not really looking at the shorter time scale for Ethereum as I'm not looking for any setups, but potentially it could get a bounce off this the resistance turns into a support. Could get some support around that level, guys, but we'll have to see how it plays out. I wouldn't buy or sell at these levels. Whereas XRP, guys, XRP had a great bullish run, and on my channel I talk a lot about XRP bullish wise on the longer term stuff, but on the shorter term stuff, guys, we'll have to be careful, guys, because it went up so much. It's so far away from the moving averages, and whenever things go up, it always consolidates and goes down. Where am I looking for it to drop down to? 50% level. If it holds a 50% level, that would be great. But I have this is my different account. I haven't got the 200 moving average on here, but I think the 200 moving average and the 618 level could be potentially where it drops down and get the moving averages move up, gets a jump from the 618 level. That could be a potential. I was hoping that it wouldn't go below the 50% level, but I think 618 level it could see a jump. And the longer term stuff, if it can continue to rally, 236 is a really important level for XRP. As you can see, it lines up with the previous highs as well, so I think 236 could be an important level for XRP, guys. And so how far it can go to like around 1 cent. It's a resistance there. It lines up with 236. We've got confluence there, so there's a potential it will hit the $1 if it can rally and break the previous high. And I think there will be a lot of resistance around the $1 mark. Not just the resistance level previously, it's also the Fibonacci level from the long swing high. And also, guys, $1 is a psychological level where people could be taking some profits. So that's what we're looking at for XRP. You might want to buy some of the pullback to these moving averages, but be careful how you trade, guys. But if it hits the 618 level and there's bull volume, guys, up, and then the price action looks bullish, I might buy some around the 618 level, because XRP is the one who led this rally, and XRP could have another big leg higher. Litecoin, guys, I'll quickly look at this. I mean, the longer term, guys, there's not much to look at in the longer term, guys. We are where we are really on the longer term stuff. On the shorter term, guys, it is forming a bear flag, guys. As you can see, it is forming, we're in a longer term downtrend. It is forming a bear flag, as you can see. This is just my thoughts, guys. I wouldn't sell Litecoin right now. I'd probably wait for it to break these levels. There is some support from previously, so it could maybe see another good touch and go up, but it is looking bearish, guys. We are below the moving averages on the shorter time scale, and it is a bear flag because we're in a longer downtrend. So Litecoin could not looking great. If I was to be in Litecoin or Bitcoin, I would be in Bitcoin. And out of the ones that I've looked at, XRP is probably looking the strongest. But as I've said in the title of the video, people are taking profit, and we are seeing some consolidation. We are in a bear market, guys, so be careful with your trades. Finally, just quickly looking at Tron. There's probably two scenarios for Tron that I'm looking at. Again, I'm looking at I'm not looking at the weekly levels. I'm looking at daily and the shorter time scale. There's two scenarios, guys. We are in this wedge, and we could be moving sideways and possibly break lower. So that's the first scenario. I haven't drawn this right. That's the first scenario, guys, and the other scenario is, guys, it could have a move up from the 50% Fibonacci level, and there's moving averages here as well. So we could see a move up, a consolidation and rally up, or we could be in a wedge formation just moving sideways. So there's two different scenarios. What you could do is you could set a alert at these levels. If it breaks these levels, if it forms a high low and breaks these levels, you might want to buy some Tron. But currently, guys, I'm not looking to buy Tron. Coins that there are some altcoins that are looking good. If you want to buy it, I'll post it on my Twitter, guys, and maybe I'll make videos on YouTube as well on some of the altcoins that are looking good. One altcoin that is looking good is probably XVG and Stratus. They're two coins that are looking quite good. There are a couple of old coins that I'm looking at. I usually post it on my Twitter, guys, so if you want to, you can follow me there. Sorry, one thing I haven't mentioned is Bitcoin shorts are dropping. Could this mean there could be another Bitcoin rally? Bitcoin shorts was almost at an all-time high, so maybe there's another rally. Bears are probably, people that are short are probably covering slightly, so that could mean something again. I wouldn't trade just off that, guys. I need to see the price action go my way as well. But these are what I'm looking at, guys. Let me know your thoughts, guys, in this technical analysis video. I haven't done really a lot of technical analysis videos, so usually let me know. I'm still trying to find my style and try to present it the best way. So please give feedback on how you want technical analysis to be fed back to you. But I've been doing these for years, and I'm just learning how to explain it to better as well. But I would be doing a lot more technical analysis video, guys, because on this channel I usually do price predictions, breaking news. I want to be doing just solid technical analysis. I have done technical analysis previously years ago, but I'd like to be doing a lot more, maybe 3-4 times a week, and whenever there's some big news I will be doing technical analysis. I'll keep on doing my price predictions for coins that I look out for. Mainly two popular coins are XRP and Tron, but I do analysis on Litecoin, Verge, ICX, Stellar, Electronium. If you bought Electronium a week ago, you should be sitting on some good profits. So thank you very much for watching this video, guys. If you have enjoyed it, please scroll down, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification button, and leave your XRP address below to win $100 worth of XRP. So thank you very much for watching this video, guys. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you have enjoyed it, smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys soon with another great video. Thank you very much.